you're already pretty familiar with. So it creates the display, and it says on mouse over, create profile. All right. So when I say create profile, I mean this thing over here. When I run over this, it changes it. Now it does a couple other things too. You can see when I mouse over, it also makes it a little bit opaque, or yeah, transparent, opaque, whichever. I can't get them. Opaque means that you can't see through it. Transparent means you can. But remember how we did this with our cascading style sheets with the photo gallery? So you can see here that I change on create profile right here. I make it so that the new first name is people list X. Now, where does it get that X? Well, I send it a variable. Well, how do I know what variable to send it? Right here, I have it when I created this. I say create profile, and inside of this, I'm sending it whatever number it is in the array. So in this case, I'm sending, if I go over Julius Caesar, I'm sending it a 0. If I go over Marcus Aurelius, I'm sending it a 1. If I'm this, I'm sending it a Caesar Augustus. And how does it know that? Remember, arrays are just based on the order that they're in. So this is 1, I'm sorry, this is 0, 1, 2. So it has a number associated with it, which is pretty cool. And so then I create the profile. It gets its first name. It gets its last name. So that's its new first. And then the new photo. And then all I do here is I create a new text thing. Text equals name, and I put in there new first. A line break, then photo, colon, break, image source equals new photo. And then what do I do here? I say document get element by ID, and I create this profile right here. This is a thing called hover profile, which was hidden until I went a mouse over any of the photo gallery items, and it says inner HTML equals text. So now whatever I defined right here shows up here, right? So you've done this already. You just haven't put it all together like this. And then it changes column 2, which is what this is, the container. This is a container that lives inside of it, and it makes it a block. So block means you can see it as opposed to none, which means you can't see it. And then column 2, inner HTML text. Oh, you know what? I have this a little bit quirky. I have it in 2 places. I have it underneath here as well, but you can't see that, so don't worry about that. All right, so that's that. Now, that's if I hover over it, right? If I click on it, that goes to the feature.